Why soundproof your home office?
Remote work often means dealing with household noise, outside traffic, or neighborhood sounds. Reducing distractions is essential for focus and productivity. Simple soundproofing solutions can help create a quieter workspace, making meetings clearer and deep work easier. Whether your job demands concentration or confidential conversations, improving your office acoustics leads to better results and a more comfortable work experience.
Seal the gaps, doors and windows.
Even small cracks around doors and windows let in a surprising amount of noise. Use weather stripping, draft stoppers, or door sweeps to block these entry points. Heavy curtains or window inserts can further dampen sound from outside. Addressing these common gaps is one of the fastest, most affordable ways to improve your home office soundproofing.
Soft surfaces, simple sound absorption.
Hard floors and bare walls reflect sound, making rooms echo and seem noisier. Rugs, carpets, and upholstered furniture absorb sound waves, reducing echoes. Hanging thick curtains or fabric panels can also help. Even adding bookshelves or artwork to your walls adds mass and softens overall noise. Little changes make a noticeable difference in how your office sounds.
DIY acoustic panels and solutions.
Acoustic foam panels, available online or at hardware stores, are an affordable way to dampen noise. If you're crafty, try making DIY panels using fabric and insulation material. Mount them behind your desk or on walls facing the source of noise. These solutions are especially helpful if you take calls or record audio for meetings or content creation.
White noise and smart placement.
White noise machines or apps can mask distracting sounds and create a consistent sound environment. Position your desk away from noisy walls or windows if possible. Plants, bookshelves, and room dividers add both style and sound absorption. Combine multiple strategies for the best results and tailor your setup for your needs and budget.
Affordable soundproofing for every home office.
Soundproofing doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. Sealing gaps, adding soft furnishings, and using white noise can make your workspace quieter and more productive. Start with simple changes and build up as needed. A focused, distraction-free office helps you do your best work, no matter where home is.